So let's see. So last time we were covering the early morning, right? So 1 second. And we said, and we discussed the reason why we have to wash our hands in the morning. Okay, so continue. So the next one is called using the bathroom, right? So we go through the morning routine, using the bathroom. Following the recitation of Modeni and washing Nagelwasser, one should make sure to use the bathroom. This is because it's forbidden to daven or recite brachas if one needs to use the facilities, and presumably she will be davening or recite the brachas later in that morning. After she uses the bathroom, she would need to wash her hand again, even though she had previously washed Nagelwasser. If one does not use the cup when washing after the washing in the bathroom throughout the day, she would not need to do so at the. Just want to say, if one does not use the cup when washing after the bathroom throughout the day, she would not need to do so at this time either. Okay, so let's try to understand. So first of all, first prayer that she said, or everybody do, is Modeni. So we thank Hashem that returned our soul to us, and say thank you Hashem that you still believe in me. Right, that you have trust in me and you return my soul, and that this day I would do better than the day yesterday. Okay, so after that she goes and to the bathroom, like everybody, because why? Because this filth that stays in a person's body is is disrespect to Hashem's name, right? So especially when a person wants to go to the bathroom during the davening or saying the bracha, it's totally not acceptable. So in some cases, for example, a person said Shmona Esra while he or she wanted to go to the bathroom, so this Shmona Esra is not counted. So Shulchan Aruch said you have to go back and say it again. And according to many opinions, actually, Shema also is not counted. So if a person say what we're saying Shema while she or he wanted to go to the bathroom, they must repeat the Shema. Okay, even though not everybody agree to that, but it's proper to abide by a stricter opinion. Okay, so meaning what? So you wake up and you have to go to the bathroom. So and it's actually that's it's one of the things, as we said, with all of our daily action, we can serve Hashem, and it's one of the things how we can serve Hashem. How to cleanse your body? Go to the bathroom. It's halachah, right? And of course, after the exiting of the bathroom, we have to wash again your hands, right? Even though we wash when we woke up. It was different washing, right? Upon that washing, we're going to say the blessing, as we explained last time, right? But after this washing, after the bathroom, so every time we go to the bathroom, we have to wash our hands, right? We have to wash our hands, and preferably with a cup, if you have a cup. So in alternative fashion, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3 times on each hand, and it's remove impurity. But it says if she does not have a cup, if she's not going to use a cup during the day, okay. So I mean, for example, if a person goes to work in the office or in a field, wherever they work, so they're not going to have a cup in the bathroom. Okay, it's understandable. So at least while you're at home, use the cup wherever possible. It's you can even in the office you can bring your cup. There is no problem, right? 1 second. But if she does not have a cup wherever she is, as the book says, so not obligatory. Okay. Continue. The only time when one would be advisable to use the bathroom, even before she washed the Nagelwasser, if the need to use the facilities is immediate and pressing. Refraining from using the bathroom would lead to Avera of Bal Tishkatsu. do not make yourself repulsive. Okay. All right. So up to now we discussed the proper procedure, the proper regular procedure, right? So a person wakes up, says Madani, washes his hand, goes to the bathroom. But it's possible when sometimes when a person wakes up, she wants to go to the bathroom. Okay, she cannot wait. Okay, so in this case, it's proper skip the washing of the hands, right? And Modiani, the prayer, go to the bathroom, and you can do it later on if you cannot hold, right? Because one of the things why you're not allowed to hold when you go to the bathroom. So it says do not. One of the explanations, it says do not make yourself repulsive. So it's not explanation, one of the sources, right? And a problem with the man. So it does not say, but problem with the man that if he holds back, number one, so it can make him sterile, which is also abomination to Hashem. Okay.